This tutorial review will show you how to make a white background in Photoshop. First of all, import the photo. We need to cut out the object. I'm gonna selecting here the pen tool and selecting my object here and press Ctrl Enter to make selection and click on the mask icon and the background will be deleted. Now we need to create a white background. So I'm going to adding a new layer and click this box and select white color. Now select pen bucket tool and click on the background. Drag this layer and put it here. That's how we can make white background in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.